Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon in my backyard. The neighbor is maybe having a party. It seems they are living a happy life every day, having party. Anyway, so I am taking some pictures of my products. So this is the workspace, and one thing I want to share with you: when you have a product, there is nothing better than take the picture under sunshine. And afternoon sunshine, evening sunshine will be the best. But sometimes you just do not get it and take advantage of the sunshine. I made some pumpkin spice caramel sauce. You can see here. And it's I have not yet designed the label, so use handwritten. So this one is made of real pumpkin, and I am taking some pictures of it. And this fig jam, I choose different kind of a background, and later on at the end of the video I will show you the pictures I took. And this one is mango lemon curd and the golden plum jam. And golden plum jam, I already have pictures, so maybe I didn't take. Anyway, so choose a pretty tablecloth, get bright sunshine. You do not need much space. You need to crop it sometimes, but that's about it. Oh, what a beautiful, beautiful autumn afternoon. This is a shameless advertisement for my pumpkin spice caramel sauce, and it makes me feel so autumn, so autumny, so folly. Oh, what I am using the words. It makes me feel so enriched, so harvesty, so resultful. But lost word. Anyway, you can find them on my Ichi shop. That is not important. The important thing is eyes on these beautiful. Oh yes, and what is this? This is a passion fruit syrup, pomelo syrup. Oh, so good, so good. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do, 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 do.